Okay, so here I've paused the video for a minute because I wanted to tell you something about this internship. So this is the internship I'm doing from Coursera and why I choose to do from Coursera. Okay, the first reason was that it's completely online. Okay, then the timing hours are flexible. I mean, there is no fixed timing that you have to attend your internships from this timing, this hour to this hour. I mean, you just have to dedicate 1 hour per day, okay, 5 days a week, and then you don't the timing hours are flexible. I mean, you can do at any time you wish to. I mean, this is so beneficial for the students who are college going or they're working, and along with that they wanted to do internships. Okay, next reason why I choose Coursera, because this course I got was for free. Now, how I got it for free? There is an option of financial aid on Coursera. A lot of you, if you have done courses from Coursera, then you might know about it. So I applied this for financial aid 2 weeks ago, and my application got approved after 15 days, and I got this course for free. Anyone can get any courses for free. Okay, you just have to see that whether there is an option of financial aid on that course or not. So then my application got approved, and now I'm going to get this. I got the certificate. I got this course for free, and I will also get a certificate. Now, if I'm spending a huge amount of time behind some course and I'm getting a certificate for that, I mean, what can be the best thing other than this? Like, because in resume, what all of us do, we have to add, there is a part of certification courses, and there you have to add courses that are certified, that you, for which you have been given a certificate. Now, if I do a lot of courses that I'm not getting a certificate and I'm having a knowledge of it, so that will be okay, but not that too good. But if I'm having a knowledge along with certificate, then that will be a plus point for my resume. So I thought this is going to be the best thing, and that these are the reasons why I choose to do internship from Coursera. So here you can see that this is the week 1 lecture that I'm having lectures in the form of video, reading, theories, and practice quizzes. So this was I'm very sorry for the voice that I'm having right now. So this is a complete week 1 module. Okay, and the best thing is that you can download it in the form of video lectures, in the form of theories also. So also you're having an option for transcript. Like, if you are not comfortable, this is the transcript. That means that whatever is being said in the video, all is translated in the form of theory. So you can change language according to your comfort zone. Like, if you are comfortable in French, if you're comfortable in Arabic, Spanish, Italian, whatever, you can transcript it. So this was good. Now let's move on to our video. So I have attended around 3 to 4 lectures. Okay, and I think I was very comfortable. I mean, the language they are speaking in, and they are starting from very basic, so it was very easy for me to understand. I was enjoying the whole lecture. I mean, I feel I'm lucky that I came across this platform for internship. Like, I was worrying for some platform for internship for a long time. A lot of platforms were there that were asking for money. So I was not having a money right now to pay such for courses. Like, I have to do a lot of course, and for different courses I have to pay 3,000, 4,000. So that will be too much for me. So yeah, this is the lecture, and I'm enjoying the lecture, and very soon I'll be making videos on Coursera complete about that will be completely about on Coursera, about the financial aid, the type of course, and everything. So very soon, inshallah, I'll be making a video on that. So this is the lecture that I'm enjoying right now.